Today, I am gonna show you how to change the filter element of our Flan 06 water purifier. Before replacing the filter element, we need to turn off the water source, stainless steel T, power supply, and pressure bucket ball valve. Turn on to switches of the faucet, and drain the water in the hose. Open the carton. FLN 75 grams 06 has 5 filter elements in total. PP cotton filter, granular activated carbon, compressed activated carbon, 75 grams, RO membrane and taste factor filter. The filter element of 06 adopts an integrated filter element. Let's replace the first filter. Take out the pre-prepared flat blade screwdriver, and use it to pry open the adapter elbows at both ends of the filter and remove it. Take out the PP cotton filter, which will be replaced, and tear off the protective film. Connect the new filter to the adapter elbow and press it firmly. Replace the second granular activated carbon filter. Use a screwdriver to pry open the adapter elbows at both ends of cartridge and remove it. Take out the new filter. Connect it to the adapter elbows, and press firmly. The third step is the compost activated carbon filter. Repeat the previous action. Use a screwdriver to pry open the joints at both ends. Remove the old one, replace it with a new one, and press the joints. Here we skip the fourth step first, and replace the fifth step with taste factor at first. Repeat the previous action. Unpack the new one, and install it to the switch. Just press firmly on the elbow. The fourth step is the RO membrane. When replacing, you need to remove the blue card on the top of the filter bottle cap, and the PE tube. Then use the wrench to unscrew it, and clamp the top with pliers. Take out the membrane, and pack the outer packaging of the new one. Press the end of it with the sealing rings inward. Press firmly to install it in place to prevent water leakage. Then cover the cap and tighten it. Finally, put the PE tube and blue card back. Don't forget to cover the hose. And turn on the water source, power supply and the pressure barrel valve switch. Turn on the faucet, and rinse the filters for 5–10 minutes. Right now the replacement is completed.